So good day, guys. I welcome you to class. I remain your humble host, Tutor Bliss. From our previous class, as you all know, we talked about machine and type of machines, and we've done some calculations and some provings under machine. Please, if you haven't seen the video, please go back to our previous videos. Please watch it, like it, and you can share. So this is one of the aspects of machines that we need to discuss about. We state that in the question given below, I know I give you some type of machines. One of the type of machine is pulley, and we have like several type of machines, but they have their different calculations and the way of approach. And I told you the difference of this type of machines is their velocity ratio. So the aspect of the type of machines, one of it is pulleys, which we want to discuss about now. Now the diagram above, let's go to the question now. The diagram above is block and tackle pulley system in which an effort of 80 Newton is used to lift a load of 240 Newton. 240 Newton. The efficiency of the machine is given as dash. Now we also calculate the efficiency of the machine. Now we all know that the efficiency of the machine is not given. Our VR. I told you the difference between this type of machine is their VR, their velocity ratio. So for us to know the velocity ratio of any pulley or any question related to pulleys under machine is for you to know the pulleys that is needed to lift any load. This is the load. You understand? So these are the pulleys. So how many pulleys are here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here now the velocity ratio for this is what? Is 6, which is the number of pulleys. So here we are given the effort to be 80 Newton. Load. What is the load given? Is the load given? Absolutely yes. The load is given as 240 Newton. 240 Newton. So now you have to calculate the efficiency. But before you calculate the efficiency, we don't know our MA, which is mechanical advantage. It's not given. So before we can get the efficiency, let's know what MA represents. MA is given us, that is our load over effort. Is load given? Yes. That will be 240 over 80, right? Which gives us what? 3. Good. So now we know our efficiency. Our efficiency is what? MA over VR times 100. So we have, what is our MA? Our MA is 3. What is our VR? Which is 6 times 100. So to get our efficiency is very simple now. If you multiply this by 3 up to 300 divided by 6, that will give us what? 50% efficiency. So the answer for this question, this is a Jamb question precisely. It's Jamb question. So if you are preparing for Jamb, this is one of the related questions you should be expecting. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more. Click the follow button so you can be updated with our new questions and answers. Thank you so much.